Welcome to Mingling Trays. Today we have our first signature recipe, Mingling Trays Steak Bite, which is simple, easy, and of course, it's delicious. Cut bell peppers into bite size, any colors you like. Cut half of red onion into bite size and white onion as well. Here we have 550 grams of ribeye steak, but you can use sirloin instead of ribeye steak. Cut them into chunks or bite size and trim off the fat. Little bit of salt and pepper. Two tablespoons of olive oil. Next, for the sauce, 1/3 cup of dark brown sugar and half cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and a little bit of salt. Mix well. The sauce is done. Chop 3 cloves of garlic. In a pan over high heat, a little bit of olive oil. Place the steak in the pan. Cook them about 1 or 2 minutes. We're just stirring it. Place them on a plate, rest for 5 minutes. In the same pan, add garlic and cook for 30 seconds. Add onions. Sprinkle with salt. Add bell peppers. Stir constantly until the veggies are crisp tender. Now pour the sauce. Finally, add the steak. Stir them gently to combine. Looks amazing, doesn't it? All done. It's ready to enjoy. We cooked the white rice with quinoa. It was amazing, so delicious. Thanks for watching. See you soon.